Hello folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to add some aftermarket foot peg extensions to my 2023 XR150. If that interests you, stay with me. And welcome back. These are the stock foot pegs that come on an XR150. They're totally tiny and totally useless. They're kind of like rubber mounted. I guess if you just stay on the road and you got little teeny tiny feet, they're great. Anyway, a friend gave me some these aftermarket extensions. They're really not made for this bike, but I'm going to make them work. What I'm going to do is drill out those holes and then put a 1/4-inch bolt in. You can use a 1/4-inch drill and a couple fender washers and just put it all together. Ain't going to be pretty, but it'll work. Anyway, stay tuned. So like I said, first order of business, I'm going to drill out those holes 1/4 inch and make sure that that bolt fits through, and then we'll start putting them on the bike. Alright, with that drilled, all you got to do is take this 10mm bolt off the bottom of your foot peg, and that rubber insert will fall out, it will come out. And this is what it looks like. I used a couple 1/4-inch bolts, and underneath some fender washers and some ESNs, elastic stop nuts, so they won't come loose. Now all I got to do is shoot a little bit of black paint on it, and yeah, be okay. Maybe I'll cut the bottom of this off too, make it a little more flush. But you know, does the trick. These are made out of steel, nice and tough, a little bit hard to drill, but yeah, there you go, man. You can get these anywhere on eBay, whatever. They don't necessarily have to fit this bike, like I said. Just kind of rig them up like this. It works. It's all that matters. All right, hope you get something from this. Give it a like and subscribe if you like. Bye.